first I'm going to start with the topic of abrogation, starting with Surah Al-Baqarah 2:106. Whatever communications we abrogate or cause to be forgotten, we bring one better than it or like it. Do you not know that Allah has power over all things? And then there is Surah An-Nahl 16:101. And when we change a verse in place of another, and Allah knows the best of what He sends down, they say, "You are but a forger." Nay, but most of them know not. These verses speak for themselves really. Now I know full well what the abrogation of the Mecca verses are, but don't you ever wonder how an all-knowing and all-wise God could change His mind so much in the space of 23 years and in the length of 114 chapters? Plus, if the Quran was written on tablets in heaven from the beginning of time, why did Allah wait 2,000 years after the Torah and 600 years after the Gospel to reveal it? And why would those tablets have Allah changing His mind so much? Especially when according to the Quran His words cannot be changed, nor can the meanings. But there are, according to some Islamic scholars, over 200 abrogations in the Quran. With that being said, how eternal could something be if it is cancelled out? Which is exactly what happens to those Mecca verses. They are cancelled out for something better, which means the Mecca verses were not perfect. Meaning, according to the Quran, God is an imperfect being who makes mistakes. As I said before, in the space of 23 years and 114 chapters, He cancelled out over 200 verses.